Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube Tuesday. I'm Mackenzie and I'm one of the mentors here with Monaco. And today you guys chose Dragon Egg Nails done by Nails by MH. If you want to go check out some other work she has done, you can go do that by going to her Instagram. So I have had a little play before I started, so I'll just show you that. So this is what I did before the live, so then I knew how to do it. And I think this is really, really pretty. And it really looks like a dragon egg. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to recreate this. So just leave that in the background. I've already painted my tip using the artistic white in Bride. And what I'll do is I'll apply another coat and use the VIP clear acrylic to sort of sugar that, so then we can do our ombre. And before we get started, if you guys want to do one of our courses, which is the Art of Nails, you can check it out by going to the link down below. And you can also use my code Mackenzie at checkout to get 10% off that course. So you can do that if you would like bits to save a few coins. Awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this white. And this is just going to help make the ombre stand out a bit. And I'm going to get my clear acrylic powder. So this is just the rock hard powder. And I'm just going to get a spatula and I'm going to pour it on. And what I like to do is I like to leave it on the nail for a few seconds before I tap it off, just so then the gel can really soak that powder up. And then tap it off and give that a cure for 30 seconds. And that's everything done with the powder. And then what we'll do is we'll go in with our two colors. So you can use multiple different colors to actually do this design. So I just use a really hot pink up here and then more of like a coral orange down at the bottom. So you can use any color as long as one's dark and one's lighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decant my gel onto my palette, which I got from Monaco store, and it has Monaco Nail Academy engraved. You can't really see it, but it has Monaco Nail Academy engraved into there. So that's a really cool way to sort of show off where you've trained. Awesome. So once I've done that, I will use just a fluffy brush to dust off the excess. And then I'm going to get just a gel brush. And I'm going to get my first color, which is that hot pink, and apply that to the top layer. Just like that. And what the acrylic powder is going to do, it's going to make it easier to actually blend these two colors together. Awesome. And then I'm just going to sort of swipe into that color. Just like that. And just do that a few times to get full coverage. Then I'll stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds and then we'll do a second coat. Let me know how your guys' day has been so far. I know it's the silly season and it's getting a lot busy for nail techs at this time of year. Let me know how you guys are feeling about it and what your Christmas plans are, as well as if you can hear me, because I know last week Becca didn't have sound, so let me know if you guys can hear me or not. Awesome. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a second coat of color. So I'm going to get my same color. You can't really see on the camera, but it is two different colors. Top color, that color at the top, and then more that color at the bottom. And then I'll put that into the lamp. Awesome. And then after that, I'm going to use the artistic matte top coat, and then we'll do our dots. Awesome. And then just making sure, like, I only have just realized that you can use clear acrylic powder to actually do your ombre. It makes it so much easier, to be honest, just because you've got that rough surface to actually apply your color to, and it sort of makes it stick a bit more. Awesome. So I'm just going to apply this matte top coat. This just smooths everything out, so then our dots are nice and smooth and it's not on a rough surface. Awesome. And then what I'm going to do is I've already done it, but decant that swag onto my palette, so then it's a bit more thicker to apply. And then I have my dotting tool, so I have this end, which is a bit bigger, and then the smaller end, and that's what I'm going to use to create my little dots. Okay, so I'm just going to cleanse this layer, my matte top coat, just so it's a bit more matte, getting rid of that layer. There we go. Awesome. And then I'm going to it's sort of like cow prints, so just don't make it too perfect, if you know what I mean. So I sort of just wiggle my hand like this and just do some random spots here and there. Making sure you put half ones on there on the edges. And just really not making it perfect. And then I'll go in with my smaller end. I'll just go in with little ones. Just like that. And then I'll put that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then once that's done, I'll go in with artistic glossing gel and seal the deal. Awesome. And yeah, just seal in that art. Which you can't see very well, but it is very, very pretty. Awesome. So I'll cure that for 30 seconds and then give it a cleanse. Super easy and fun design. It's absolutely gorgeous. The ombre is really, really pretty. Gorgeous. So super, super easy. And I'll just give that a quick cleanse. And there we have it. A really, really quick, easy design. And if you find that your design's not smooth, you can go in with another coat of glossing gel before you cleanse it. Awesome. So there we have it, our two dino eggs. Awesome. Don't forget, guys, that we do have a course called The Art of Nails. It is really helpful to get your creative juices rolling with nail art and knowing all the new techniques. So if you want to do so, you can also use my code Mackenzie at checkout when you add the Art of Nails to your cart. And yeah, awesome. Thanks, guys, so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. See ya.